Hello, YouTube. Mars is surrounded by some kind of greenery. A ghostly but very bright shell hung in the atmosphere of the red planet at the altitude of about 50 kilometers. The Martians coming to the surface at night, well, if they existed, could observe a green glow instead of the blackness of the sky. From the Earth, it seemed that Mars had changed color. Scientists first encountered the mysterious phenomenon 3 years ago. The instruments from NOMAD UVIS installed on the ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter automatic station at that time recorded it in the visible range during the day. And it was not a glitch of the equipment, because now the glow is captured at night. On our planet, on Earth, such a phenomenon, the so-called intrinsic glow of the atmosphere or night glow, does not cause any consternation. Even its nature is more or less clear. Oxygen atoms emit green light in the atmosphere of our planet, directly interacting with the charged particles of the solar wind. Astronauts on the International Space Station have repeatedly observed the ghostly halo and photographed it. But what glows on Mars, in the atmosphere of which there is very little oxygen, what could it be? Well, Jean-Claude Girard from the University of Liège in Belgium and his numerous colleagues studying the phenomenon believe that oxygen, which the atmosphere itself generates, still glows green on the red planet. It appears under the influence of the same solar wind, which decomposes Martian carbon dioxide into carbon monoxide and, in fact, oxygen. At an altitude of about 50 kilometers, two oxygen atoms combine to form an oxygen molecule. This process is accompanied by a green glow. According to Jean-Claude, the night glow is intense enough that future astronauts can observe it during the polar night in orbit or from the surface of Mars. The explanations and observations of scientists are presented by the journal Nature Astronomy. Scientists intend to thoroughly deal with the alien glow, so similar to the terrestrial northern lights, and they will try to understand why it has finally become accessible to contemplation. According to one hypothesis, there was suddenly more oxygen in the Martian atmosphere. Why? Well, communication with all Martian technology disappeared on November 11, 2023, as reported by NASA. It disappeared completely, both with satellites orbiting the red, or now green planet, and the rovers that are still alive, so to say, Perseverance and Curiosity. So what should we do now? Wait, experts respond. Communication will be restored on November the 25th. The situation is as follows. Mars is hiding from the Earth behind the Sun, and radio waves do not pass through it. They will begin to pass only when Mars appears again, and it will not be obscured by either the luminary itself or its atmosphere. So the red planet completely disappeared on November 18. A similar phenomenon, a solar connection, occurs every 2 years. For about 2 weeks, the vehicles on Mars remain unattended, so to say. So that's what I wanted to let you know today. I like to bring stories about the solar system. The more we find out, the more amazed we remain. If you like my research and can support it, please do so through the links you'll find in the description to this video. Please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more interesting stories in the near future. Thank you.